Hey y'all, it's Betsy, and today we're doing our February Bliss box unboxing. Baubles and Bliss is a business that is across the street from me. They do a monthly box. I purchase it every month with my own money, and it's something fun, something different, and they're $55 plus tax and shipping if you want them shipped. I will link them down in the description box down below, but there's always something cute and fun and different in here, and this is the February box, so it has everything that comes out for March, which I have to go order my March box. But isn't the packaging just adorable? Now, I haven't opened this up yet, so we're opening up this together. Let's see if I can get it open. There we go. Today it's not wanting to open up. There we go. Okie dokie. So the first thing that's in here is the March t-shirt, and this is a Next Level mint green v-neck shirt, and it says live life in bloom. Isn't that pretty? I love that coral color on the daisies. It matches my eyeshadows. That's adorable, and I get that in a size small. They are unisex cut t-shirts, so just in case anybody's wondering. Next we have a Karma tote bag, and it says never lose your sense of wonder with this adorable floral print. That is super duper cute. I love anything with flowers on it. And I need some brightness in my life. That's why I put on the coral eyeshadow today, because it is 30 degrees outside. It is not supposed to be 30 degrees in Texas in March. Next, I got a Spongily Bulgarian Rose Cleanse. It's a body wash infused buffer, so it's like one of the sponges, like the natural sea sponge that has body wash built in it. These are great for exfoliating your elbows and knees, so that's pretty cool. And it smells pretty good. It smells a lot like rose, which I would guess because it's Bulgarian rose. Next, let's see. Ooh, pretty. So it's a new one of, it's not an Amish brand, but it is one of the beaded bracelets like the Amish that are super popular right now. And this is a mint green with like iridescent over it. And I'm sure on camera the iridescents don't show up, but it is a gorgeous color, and it goes perfectly with the shirt, which I have some more bracelets like that that probably go just as well. I just hardly ever wear any jewelry other than my earrings and my watch. Ooh. So, and also a new snap bracelet, and they specialize in the snap jewelry. They make it, they're custom, and these pop off and you can take and change them out for different, which you need like a guitar pick to pop it out. But it's like a white crystal-y color, and this stone on here, yeah, you can see that a little bit better, is that same iridescent, and it's super duper cute. That'll all look really good together. Next, ooh, new socks. I get so excited for socks, and I love this print. They're rose, and it has that really pretty rose, and the toes are black and the heels are black, and they're like a longer sock. These are super duper cute. I'm weird, I'm sorry. I love socks. Let's see, what else is this? This is a weird shape package. Oh, a new nail file, which I can probably use because my fingers look all nice and gross and stubby because I do CrossFit and my hands look like poo. I mean, I've got calluses and blisters all over. And then last but not least, this feels like a little bitty book. Oh, it is a tiny little journal. Again, with the floral pattern, and it says enjoy the little enjoy the little things, and it's by Carmen, and it has 100 sheets in it. So this month we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different items in this, so I am super duper excited to play with all these goodies. If you remember, if you're interested in ordering, I will link them down below. It is not an affiliate link. I do not make any money off of it, but it is something fun and something different, and you can buy one. You don't have to like subscribe to 12 months of it like you do with a lot of subscription boxes. But I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment down below what is your favorite item in this month's box. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here, and if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget to check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as my second channel, but it is my main channel, Cuttin Corners Vinyl, which is where I do all the tutorials for Cricut, Silhouette, and Brother Scan and Cut, which we're still working on. But I guess that's it. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye.